This is Greg Doerfler with Open Source Skateboards, and I'm going to show you how to backside tail stall. For this trick, you're going to want a quarter pipe. Any size will do, but it's easiest to learn on a small or shallow quarter. There are a couple ways to backside tail stall. One is to pop over the lip and into it. I'm going to show you my preferred method, which is to slide your back wheels into the stall, keeping in contact with the ramp. The secret is all in the hips. On the way up, you sweep your back foot around, twisting your lower body ahead of your upper body, almost like the board was coming into the stall fakie all along. You can use the split second afterwards, when your upper body catches up with your lower body, to really lock in and push the tail down all the way. Especially on a sticky ramp, you really have to twist at your waist and even wind up first. Can't emphasize the hips enough. I should add, you want to approach the ramp straight on, not at an angle, with about the same speed as you would an axle stall. You're not really thinking about your front wheels at all. With the right sweep, you'll notice your front wheels come off the ramp at or just before the coping. But it's probably best to calculate the where and when of the twist based on your back foot and whether it's constantly overshooting or undershooting the coping. If you're having trouble getting the board around a full 180, practice this part first. Under or over rotating is like not shooting straight in basketball and will severely hurt your other margins of error. You can practice twisting low in the ramp like this. Once you're good with these, you can add on with reverts and other strange things. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Until next time, and probably even then, I'm Greg Doerfler with Open Source Skateboards. Have a great day.